Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor Magic 5 Lite, and this time I'll be showing you how to set up and use the AppLock feature. Okay, so to find AppLock, just pull down the notifications and go into the settings and then scroll down. Keep scrolling to where it says security. And then here you will see AppLock. Select it. And then here it just explains how it works. So AppLock, protect your privacy by locking your apps. To open a locked app, you'll need to verify your identity. Go ahead and select enable. And then here you will need to select a password for AppLock. So you can either choose a lock screen password or a custom PIN. So I'm going to choose a custom PIN. And I'm just going to use a simple PIN code. Make sure you use a strong PIN code that nobody can easily guess. Okay, so I'm just going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then here you will be asked to use a security question. So the default security question is, what is your father's name? However, if you select this little tab, you can choose another security question. So what is your mother's name? Who is your childhood idol? Who is your favorite roommate? You can also choose a custom question as well. So I'm just going to keep it on what is your father's name. So my father's name is Toby. And then hit finish. Okay, so now we are inside AppLock. Remember guys, that authentication is required to enable the locked apps. The apps will be automatically locked when screen is off. So here's a list of all my applications, and I can lock any one of these. So I'm going to lock Chrome. Also, I'm going to lock my gallery, Gmail, the Play Store, Google, and let's just say YouTube as well. And that's it. It's all set up. Okay, so when I try to open the gallery, as you can see, I can't get into it. I need the password. Same with Google. The same with YouTube. And also Gmail. And the Play Store. So yeah guys, this is very useful if you're letting somebody use your phone. Maybe they want to make a phone call. Maybe they want to play a game. At least you've got a peace of mind. You know that your apps are protected. Nobody can't just use your banking apps or your YouTube or anything like that. You know, nobody can't just have a look at your emails and stuff, you know. So yeah, this is a nice way to keep your applications safe. Anyway guys, that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. I thought I'd share this one with you all. So it's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one guys. I'm out. Deuces.